Hello friends, welcome back to the last part of the exercise 1.2 of the video lecture series complex numbers. Okay, so in this video we'll be covering this section 5, which is the foremost important section of this topic. Okay, so in the last two videos we have seen the section 1, 2 and 3, 4 of the same exercise. Okay, so if you have not seen that video, please go through and come back to this video. Now what is the fifth exercise, or sorry, what is the fifth section of this exercise is find the value of what is the polynomial. Find the value of, they have given one polynomial, so which is x cube minus x square plus x plus 46 if x is equals to 2 plus 3i. Okay, so they have given one polynomial and they are asking for this value of this polynomial if x is equals to 2 plus 3i. Then what to do, boss? The very first thing is what? Check out the powers. So x cube hai, x square hai and x hai. So we have directly value of this x. Can we get x square? Yes, of course. Can we get x cube? Yes, of course. Okay, so first let's solve for this x cube. So x cube is nothing but 2 plus 3i, it's a cube, and you are aware of this formula. A plus b cube is nothing but what? It is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So this is what the formula of a plus b cube is. Okay, so this is equals to, I will be having 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square into 3i plus 3 into 2 into 3i square plus 3i cube. Okay, so let's open this. 2 cube is nothing but 8 plus 2 square is 4, so चारित्रिकम 12, 12 12 36, ये 36 I आ गया यहाँ पे, and we have here I square, so it becomes negative. So 3 दूनी, so यहाँ पे सॉरी ये 9 हो गया, 9 दूनी 18, 18 दूनी 24, 18 54, so ये हो गया 54, and I will be having यहाँ पे plus ये 27, I cube is nothing but minus of I, so I will be having negative sign. Okay, so what is the value of this? So it is minus 54 plus 8 हो गया मेरा minus 46, and 36 minus 27 हो गया मेरा plus of 9i. This is the value of x cube. Equation number 1. Similarly, find out the value of x square. Okay, so x square is equals to what? It is 2 plus 3i whole square, which is nothing but 2 square. Okay, I will be writing directly here. So 4 minus 9 plus 3 दूनी 6, 6 दूनी 12 of I, which is nothing but minus 5 plus 12i. So this is equation number 2. Okay, so substitute 1 and 2. Substitute 1 and 2 in the given equation, in a given polynomial. In the given polynomial, so you will be having, so the given polynomial is what? It is x cube minus x square plus x plus 46 plus 46. Okay, so let's substitute the values here. So x cube is nothing but minus 46 plus 9i minus of minus 5 plus 12i. Perfect. Then we will be having plus x is what? It is a 2 plus 3i, and we have plus 46. ओके, क्या क्या कैंसिल होता है देखो. चलो भाई, माइनस 46 और प्लस 46 कैंसिल हो गया. देन एनीथिंग एल्स. ओके, लेट्स ओपन द ब्रैकेट. सो विल बी हैविंग 9i माइनस माइनस प्लस 5 minus 12i plus 2 plus 3i. See here, 3i, 9i, 12i, with minus 12i becomes 0, so 5 plus 2 is remaining, which is nothing but 7. That's it. This is what my answer for this question is. Answer is 7. Okay, perfect. So the value of given polynomial when x is equals to 2 plus 3i, it is equals to 7. It's as simple as that. Only thing is what we need to find out the values of this x cube and x square, and don't worry, you will not get higher power here. Okay, so maximum power you will get as a 4. We will see such questions also. There is also will be having small tricks. Now let's see the second question. So the question number 2 says 2x cube, find the value of 2x cube minus 11x square plus 44x plus 27 if x is equals to 25 divided by 3 minus 4i. Okay, so we have to find out the value of this polynomial for the given value of x is which is 25 by 3 minus 4i. Now if you observe very carefully, बॉस एक thing अभी notice करना है क्या. Now getting the x cube and x square is little bit what we can say lengthy, and we may do some mistakes in the calculation. So as we have seen in the last question, the question number 1, we have seen there was like a lengthy procedure to find out the x cube and x square. So do we have any other shortcut method to find out the answer to such questions? Okay, so the what is answer is yes, of course we have the shortcut trick for that. So before explaining the shortcut trick, let me take one simple example. Okay, so with that help of example I will tell you what concept I will be using in this question. Okay, first let me take the one small polynomial. Suppose I have the 5x. Okay, I want to find out the value of this 5x for x is equals to 2. Okay, I want to find out the value of this 5x polynomial for x is equals to 2. So orally can you tell me what will be the answer to this question? So it will be 5 into 2, which is nothing but 10. Of course, yes. Now how to get with the help of the proper method? Okay, so let's simply divide this 5x by 2. Okay, not by x, by 2. Divide this 5x by 2. So your answer will be what? 2 into 2 do be दूनी 4. Okay, so it goes by 2x. Okay, so 1x is remaining. So what is remainder is? So remainder is what? It is 1x. 1x is the remainder. The quotient is what? It is a 2x. So you know that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. I hope you know this. This is a simple basic mathematical calculation we have. So what is divisor in our case? Divisor is always the small number. Divisor is what? It is a 2. What is quotient? The quotient is the answer which you get. So it is 2x. And what is the remainder? The remainder I get, it is a 1x. So what is 2 into 2? This is 4x. 4x plus 1x, which is nothing but 5x. This 5x is nothing but my dividend. Yes or no? See, this is my dividend. Okay, so with the help of the division approach we can solve these type of questions very easily. So there is no need to find out any x cube, x4, x5. No, not at all. Just make use of this small concept and you will be getting the answer to all these type of questions. Okay, so I hope you have understood this concept. So okay, let me take another example. If you want to take me another example, so 7x, and I want to find out the value of this for x is equals to 3. So orally you can tell me what is the value of this 7x for x is equal to सात्विक 21. So 21 आना चाहिए आंसर. So with the help of this approach आप कैसा करोगे? So 7x divided by 3, this will be equals to 3 दूनी 6. So 2x. Okay, so कैरी कितना आ गया भाई? सॉरी, रिमाइंडर कितना आ गया? रिमाइंडर आ गया 1x. ओके, 3 दूनी 6 मतलब 6x कट गए इसमें से. सो एक रिमाइंडर बच गया ना. सो डिविजर विच इज 3 इंटू कोशेंट विच इज 2x प्लस रिमाइंडर इज व्हाट? इट इज 1 into x. दिस इज नथिंग बट 3 दूनी 6x प्लस 1x which is nothing but 7x. That's it boss. This is my divisor here. Okay, so let's make use of this concept and let's find out the answer to this type of questions. Okay, now let's come back to the original question. So which says the value of 2x cube minus 11x square plus 44x plus 27. Find the value of this polynomial if x is equals to 25 divided by 3 minus 4i. Oh, okay. So I hope you remember that our thumb rule says I don't want the complex number in the denominator. So उसके लिए क्या करोगे आप, multiply and divide by its conjugate. So it's 3 plus 4i divided by 3 plus 4i. ओके, तो क्या हो जाएगा भाई, 25 इंटू 3 आ गया मेरा 75 इन प्लस 25 इंटू 4 ये आ गया मेरा 100i अपॉन आई विल बी हैविंग 9 प्लस 16 विच इज नथिंग बट अगेन ये आ गया मेरा 25. ओके, सो दिस इज 25. सो 75 बाई 25 आ गया मेरा 3 प्लस 100 बाई 25 आ गया मेरा 4i. सो x कितना गया, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट माई वैल्यू x. सो x इज इक्वल्स टू 3 प्लस 4i. Okay, therefore x is equals to 3 plus 4i. Now let's take the real and imaginary part at the other side. So x minus 3, it is equals to 4i, and remove this I. So how you remove, take squares on both sides. So x minus 3 square, which is equals to minus of 16. So x square minus 6x plus 9, which is equals to minus 16. So if I open this and rearrange this, minus 6x, ये minus 16 आ गया, इधर plus 16 हो गया, so it will be plus of 25 equals to 0. So finally what polynomial I am getting for this x, okay, this is my dividend. In our case this becomes my, sorry, this becomes my divisor. Okay, divisor, this becomes my divisor and this becomes my dividend. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this divisor is actually this. So x square minus 6x plus 25. Okay, let's take this as a divisor. Let me write this as a small d and let me write this as a capital D, dividend. Okay, now let's divide. So I will be having, let's make use of the common or a traditional division method. 2x cube minus 11x square plus 44x plus 27. Okay, so it's divided by x square minus 6x plus 25. Okay, so the answer will be, let's write answer this side. What part you have here, x square, and what you want to cancel out, this first term I want to cancel out. So what you require, I require 1 2 and 1 x here. So here I require 1 2 2 into x I require. So let's have that 2x here, 2x term. So now let's multiply this 2x with this. So you will be having 2x cube minus 6x plus 2x becomes minus 12x square. Then we have 2x plus 25, ये हो गया मेरा 50x. Okay, now let's subtract this. So minus 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 plus minus, ये cancel हो गया. So we'll be having x square, single x square, and यहाँ पे आ गया मेरा minus 6x. So let's take that 27 downside directly. Okay, now see here, x square minus 6x plus 25, x square minus 6x plus 27. Okay, now simply I can divide by 1. So I will be having x square minus 6x plus 25. So let's subtract this. So minus 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 plus and minus, x square cancel, minus 6 plus 6 cancel. So 27 minus 25 आ गया मेरा 2. Okay, perfect. So tell me now, dividend capital D is equals to small d into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so small d कितना गया, small d is nothing but x square minus 6x plus 25, and what is the quotient is, it is 2x plus 1. Okay, and what is remainder is, remainder is nothing but 2. This is nothing but my dividend. Okay, now tell me what is the value of this part, what is the value of this part. This part is directly equals to 0. See here, this is nothing but my dividend, sorry, divisor. This is nothing but my divisor, and that part is equals to 0. So 0 into anything is 0 plus 2. ओके, सो डी फॉर x इज इक्वल्स टू 3 + 4i कितना गया बॉस, ये आ गया डी की वैल्यू आ गई मेरी 2. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन, सो आंसर इज 2. Please remember that for explaining I am taking this much time, okay, so that your concepts will be clear in this question only, okay. But while actual solving the question will not spend this much time, okay, which is not allowed of course. Okay, so let's make use of this concept and let's try to solve the next question. Okay, perfect. So let me write the third question here. Third question says, okay, third question says it's a x cube plus x square minus x cube plus x square minus x plus 22 if x is equals to 5 by 1 minus 2i, 5 by 1 minus 2i. Okay, so our first step is what, this becomes my capital D and this becomes my small d. Okay, this becomes my capital D, this becomes my small d. So first small d मतलब क्या है, ये divisor है, this is my dividend, this is my divisor. So first let's convert this divisor into a small polynomial. So x is equals to 5 upon 1 minus 2i. So let's multiply and divide by its conjugate, 1 plus 2i upon 1 plus 2i, which is nothing but 5 plus 10i divided by, we have 1 plus 4 which is nothing but again 5, so 5 plus 10i upon 5 which is nothing but 1 plus 2i. Okay, so what you have, x minus 1 is equals to 2i. So let's take square on both sides. I will be having x minus 1 whole square equals to 2i square, which is nothing but x square minus 2x plus 1 which is equals to minus of 4. Okay, so I will be having x square minus 2x, ये minus 4 इधर आ गया तो plus हो गया and it is equals to 5, it is equals to 0. So this becomes my divisor. Okay, this becomes my divisor. Now let's take this divisor and let's take this dividend and let's have our traditional division. Okay, so so it is x cube, so I'll be writing here x cube plus x square minus x plus 22 divided by x square minus 2x plus 5, and let's see the answer is. So for cancelling this x cube I require only x here, so let's give the x here. So x square into x becomes x cube, minus 2x into x becomes minus 2x square, and 5x is 5 into x becomes plus 5x. Okay, let's subtract this. So minus 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 plus and ये minus, ये कैंसिल हो गया, ये आ गया मेरा 3x स्क्वायर एंड ये आ गया मेरा minus 6x एंड ऊपर का 22 as it is. So to cancel out this 3x square I require only 3 here, so plus 3, so I will be writing 3x square minus 2 into 3 ये हो गया मेरा minus 6x and 5 into 3 हो गया मेरा 15. Okay, so let's subtract this minus plus minus. So minus 3x square plus 3x square cancel, minus 6x plus 6 cancel, ये 0 plus 0, so it is 22 minus 5, ये हो गया मेरा 7. Okay, so what is the answer for this question? It is as simple as that, it's a 7 boss. Okay, so it's a 7, so sorry, remainder is 7. So let's have that divisor is equals, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so dividend is what, it is x cube plus x square minus x plus 22, it is equals to divisor is what, it is x square minus 2x plus 5 into quotient is what? It is x plus 3 and plus remainder is what? It is 7. And you know that the value of this we have already proved, this is equals to 0. So anything into 0 is 0 plus 7. So what is the answer? Is 7. So इसका आंसर कितना गया? इसका आंसर आ गया 7. Okay. So finally we get the value of this polynomial which is nothing but 7. Okay, for the value of x which is 5 by 1 minus 2y. Let's have the fourth question here. So fourth question says, it's very simple boss, just only thing you require is the practice. So do write a question and try to solve on your own with the help of this video. So question number 4 says that find the value of x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4 if x is equals to, we have minus 5 plus root of minus 4. Okay, so we have to find the value of this polynomial for given value of x. So if I convert this x into complex number, I will be getting plus root of 4 is nothing but 2 and root of minus 1 is nothing but I. Okay, so this becomes x plus 5 whole square, which is equals to 2i square, which is nothing but minus 4. So ये हो गया मेरा x square plus ये हो गया मेरा 25 plus 10x, which is equals to minus 4. Okay, so this x square ये इधर आ गया तो मेरा हो गया plus 10x, ये हो गया मेरा plus 29 equals to 0. This becomes my divisor capital small d. This part is my capital D. Okay, now let's follow the traditional division. Okay, so let me have the divisor with me. So it is nothing but x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4. Okay, 35x square minus x plus 4. Okay, divided by x square plus 10x plus 29. Let's write the answer here. So to cancel out this first x to the power 4, I will require x square. So यहाँ पे आ गया मेरा x square not x4, यहाँ पे आ गया x square. So x square into x square हो गया x4, 10x into x square हो गया 10x cube, 29 into x square हो गया मेरा 29x square. So let's subtract minus minus minus, ये दोनों cancel हो गए, ये हो गया मेरा minus x cube, this 29 and ये 35, ये 5 और 6, so plus 6x square minus x plus 4 as it is. So to have this minus x cube, I will be requiring minus x with me. So minus x, so x square minus x becomes minus x cube. Okay, so 10x minus x becomes minus of 10x square, then 29 minus x, ये हो गया मेरा minus 29x. So let's subtract his minus minus plus plus plus, ये दोनों cancel हो गए, ये आ गया मेरा 16x square and ये आ गया मेरा plus 28x and ये आ गया as it is 4. Okay, now what you require, so I want to have only 16 here, so plus 16. Okay, so 16x square plus 16 into 10 is 160x plus 29 into 16, ये आ गया मेरा 464. Okay, so this is equals to, let's subtract minus minus and minus, so ये दोनों तो cancel हो गए, so this is equals to minus of 132x and this is equals to minus of 460. Okay, so this is my remainder, this becomes my capital R. This is small d, this is a capital D, so let's have that small equation. So the capital D it is equals to small d into quotient plus r. So capital D is equals to what was our divisor? So divisor was nothing but it is x square plus 10x plus 29, x square. Okay, so it is x square plus 10x plus 29 into what is quotient? Quotient is nothing but x square minus x plus 16, x square minus x plus 16, and plus remainder is what it is, minus 132x minus 460. Okay, so this is equals to the dividend. Okay, so now so this part is equals to 0 as we have already seen. So what is my answer is, so minus 132x minus 460. Okay, but we don't want to have the x value there, so let's substitute the value of x, which is nothing but minus 5 plus minus 132 into minus 5 plus 2 into I minus 460. Okay, so this is equals to 132 into 5 कितना गया भाई, ये 5 आ गया, 13 5 65, ये आ गया मेरा 66. ओके, माइनस माइनस प्लस ये आ गया मेरा माइनस ऑफ 264 ये माइनस 460 ये आई. ओके, सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 660 एंड 460 आ गया मेरा 200 एंड ये आ गया मेरा 264 आई. That's it, this is my answer. So what is the value of given polynomial for x is equals to minus 5 plus 2i is this answer. Okay, so it's a 200 minus 264i. Okay, so I agree that this is a bit lengthy type of question, but no worries, you just follow this video, just put pen on paper and try to solve these questions with this video. Okay, and you will be surprised that you will solve the next and the last question of this exercise, which is the homework question. So I am expecting the answer for this homework question as soon as possible, and write down your answer in the comment box. Okay, so what is the last question is 2x to the power 4 plus 5x cube plus 7x square minus x plus 41 if x is equals to minus 2 minus root 3 into I. Okay, so take this as a homework, just follow the previous question solution and let's solve this. Okay, so with this we will stop here, and in the next video we will be starting the next concept from this topic. Thank you.